Breaking news ka Yambio ka South Sudan. Normal ka nyam kana san kono linga sini ka Noro 9 TV channel ba raj member jalikel. En raj brialing erin jito re which ka Yambio ka kor ka me charam na la commissioner yen ki governor charge which a kwan kirma yadit re which ka ko charia charam le ro da gwas me chanje konling ano ngu mi jito an tema ka kor tiang paiwa ka chang ka wal ka pairo ron kina dangro jan dangro wididh chana breaking news the kon lat ko din ke kon lat ko din tema chana kamalin kel nyoga kadi to kokien ko bler ti bikan chwa mala shukaya gwasa nan pai kalarech ken yamba jelat ka tung nat ka kora ba je kwenya ka tok english regan to ka yambio re which ka so sudan ka kor kame cha ramanda la commissioner kia kwar and cap yambio gwade chaja within a kirma yadit ka raj michalat ka television dung South Sudan amman to ga tama kur tetin kajan capital dung Western Equatorial State kur ke talk gwada tie ka headquarter no headquarter ke gwada dan to kuma tetin ka kor ka me sha uda me chaja wud uda me shwale Futuyo jen a senior commander of SPLM IO force in Western Bargazal. You know, chana mandan le rode a ngumu white kajamo a duoba dien white kajamo kung ay kone tiang kirma yadit chanate one long chako white the bana writing ka kore mchana matuk but the chana man focus ka kore down to ogre which in winami you know would the me white kaje kirma yadit ka changa well ka pairo ron kina dangro jan dangro de dich ka jan tiang mo e wo ke ja chwaling no chi kor cha to kai wuchin minami a kor medit ko kor matok ka state capital ko Western Equatoria state chi kor matot a kor medit ban je kula linkel ka tok english ka dobran cha gor ga je mite mo kon lat ka kor ban je lat ka kor min chalat gwas me je ne gunfire erupted late Monday in Yambio, the capital of Western Equatorial State, near the state headquarters, residents reported. The violence followed President Salva Kiir's decision to dismiss the governor of the Western Equatorial State, General Alfred Futuyo Karaba. This evening, President Kiir issued a series of decrees removing several senior government officials appointed under the term of the 2018 peace agreement. General Futuyo, senior commander of the SPLM force in Western Bargazal, was appointed in June 2020 as part of power-sharing arrangement between President Kiir and opposition leader, first Vice President Riek Machar. Several residents of High Naduru near the state secretariat in Yambio confirmed gunfire in some part of Yambio town. There are heavy gunshots near the state house, and the situation is very tense, one resident said. Another resident from the Puzo area reported hearing gunfire near the residence of the former governor, Alfred Futuyo Karaba. A large number of soldiers are patrolling the street, and movement within Yambio is restricted, another local added. Meanwhile, in South Yubu, Tambura County, some community members were seen celebrating Futuyo removal, holding gathering and expressing joy over the presidential decree removing the state governor. Gwadamen Koran to Octonomy be ka korka me chawu de me chaje wo chal Futuyo akirma yadit. Ano, ajen muyen lingano nyina antama ke state house ke tiekada ko chaje wuch anyok tene test loidien ba ko jen chaje wuch wi kom dara teten. Ano, na me jen dan le ro den tama re wi ka South Sudan. Kuch kon me le ro den tama nguchi tuogo te kene ti jite ko bo te kene chi test list ano ngaje je gwan wo South Sudan ke jen gwasme te re ring ne ano kene diala sha kwanye ke ti sha wuti wa rada kalat ke jen male dan ne sha tan karun kin dang ro badak antam ko ko ne mi ci kirma yadi che mala mo che je kula dag nyok wala nguchi te de ke te gane ko kene belata anyok shi agu je no wode te ne shi nok wuri sha Futuyo cha ken ne chine ko ken chicken mandanen chen le jin la korm ter bala jawo ko bo ano ki bitega ne di nyer ke je aname ejen ler anda an chibin tama en go re which ka Western Equatoria to korm ditetin ka capital CDN la dun Western Equatoria State kanye na ka state headquarter den go dan to korm teten ban report den ban jele ning yo gwasa dan we berech ana ban jiga ler den biata kamal